So I think the two key elements for this project in relation to design are the prototype and the test phases. So we teach our students here at the OEM about the design thinking process, which covers 5 different stages, but 2 of the key ones are prototype and test. So that's where you prototype, you make like a rough draft of your car, and then you test it to see if it goes fast, if it goes slow, if it falls apart as it goes down the track. And then you go back and think about your design again based on the outcomes of those tests and make improvements for your car. Technology can be used in all sorts of ways in creating derby cars. You can use technology to create your design in the first place, so to take your idea and then use software like 3D CAD software to create a representation of your ideas. And then you can take those virtual representations, the pictures that you create on your computer, and then you can turn those into real objects using 3D printers or laser cutters as well. I think the exciting thing about studying technology is that a lot of the careers that are opening up don't even exist yet. So there's new careers all the time in technology that are appearing as people move more and more towards using technology in the workplace. So there's plenty of opportunities at the moment for people that are really great at combining not only how to use a computer, but how to use a computer to solve real problems. So how to make things by using computers, how to make things faster, how to improve processes by using the data that computers provide us. So the opportunities are limitless at the moment, and they're only becoming greater as we progress more and more to a digitised society. So we're really looking forward to being able to help students with engaging with technology to create the University of Tasmania Derby cars. And we're going to do that by enabling them to send us their designs, and we'll 3D print them here at the OEM facility. So we'll have more details about that on the website.